Hey, good Friday morning, everyone. Quick video blog for you as we kick off this Friday. A lot of you have the day off today, and you might want to get outdoors, walk the dog if you still have some leaves to rake or anything like that. Or if you're still shopping and getting set to head back out and catch some bargains today. The weather, for the most part, is going to cooperate. It's going to be warm again. What about the rain? Well, we'll talk about the timing of things. Here's a look at the radar at 9 o'clock this morning. Now, we've got a little finger of what looks like rain pushing through central Ohio. Let me stop the loop. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, though. There's some dry air in the lowest couple of thousand feet of the atmosphere right above our heads that's going to eat up some of this moisture as it comes east. So I'm not real worried about this band of rain having much impact on us. Now, there is, of course, a more substantial band of rain off to the west, and that will be pushing in later on today. But we only dropped into the lower 50s last night, and here at 9 in the morning, it is still 54 degrees. So, again, you don't need the heavy winter jacket at all this morning. It is balmy. If you want to find the cold, well, go out west. Look at the numbers out here. Single digits, even below zero in some spots. Look at that. There's a minus 12 in eastern Montana at Baker Municipal Airport. That's where the cold is. And all of this chilly air is marching east, and we're certainly going to feel the difference by the time we roll into the weekend. All right, the timing of today's rain. Here's our high-resolution model showing what the radar should look like as we go through time. Let's skip ahead to midday here at noon. What's left of that little finger that's on the radar now is probably overhead. There's probably going to be some virga, some precipitation evaporating before reaching the ground. So don't think you need your umbrella just yet at midday. Now, as we get into the mid-afternoon, here's 3 o'clock. I think the model might be overdoing this a little bit. There might be a sprinkle or something like that around 3, but I really think, again, some of this may not even reach the ground, and some of it won't, even if it does reaches the ground, it may not be much more than just very, very light rain around mid-afternoon. I think the much better chance for rain is as we head past sunset and into the evening. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the evening. I suspect it's starting to rain lightly in a lot of the valley, and then we're going to hang on to the rain at times as we go through the overnight and into parts of tomorrow as well. This front's really putting on the brakes as it comes south and east. So with it lingering tomorrow, probably going to allow for a little light rain at least through the early afternoon on Saturday. Here's a midday snapshot. By the end of the afternoon, a lot of it's probably to our south. So I think roughly through maybe, just ballparking maybe 2 p.m., we have to allow for a little light rain tomorrow, maybe even a little later than that if things get even slower. But just plan on a much different Saturday with temperatures holding steady in the lower 40s and perhaps even dropping into the upper 30s. And just kind of a damp and drizzly kind of a start to the weekend. Model rainfall totals kind of between a quarter and a third of an inch on average as far as the amount of rain we can expect later today, tonight, and into Saturday. Much more later on today on 21 News at 6 and 11 and on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening. And Andrew has you covered at midday today. He's in for Jess on the Midday Report. It's an hour-long show, lots of weather coming up today starting at noon. Have a great rest of this Friday, and I'll talk to you later on.